Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Are you interested in learning more about your astrological chart and what the future holds? If so, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Jeffrey Celavie AI, a powerful tool that combines the ancient wisdom of astrology with the modern power of artificial intelligence. Jeffrey Celavie AI is an online astrology platform that uses AI to generate personalized astrological readings and insights. It takes your birth details and creates a detailed astrological chart, which is then used to generate predictions about your personality, relationships, career, and more. We have covered an article about how to use Jeffrey Celavie AI. Article link is provided in the description. Please don't forget to check it out. Okay, now let's get started. Visit the official Jeffrey Celavie website. Now you can see the homepage of Jeffrey Celavie. Here, click the main home on the top, scroll down. It will ask to provide your birth date, place of birth, and birth time. Enter the details and it will start generating your astrological analysis based on your provided information. It provides your astrological details with different types of astrology, including Vedic astrology, Western astrology, and Chinese astrology. You can use Jeffrey Celavie to explore your zodiac sign, planetary positions, houses, aspects, and transits. You can also ask Jeffrey Celavie specific questions about your future. Jeffrey Celavie will give you relevant and helpful answers based on your astrological profile. Overall, Jeffrey Celavie AI is a powerful tool that can help you learn more about yourself and your future. If you're interested in astrology, then I highly recommend giving it a try. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to use Jeffrey Celavie AI. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information about Jeffrey Celavie AI. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.